Hi, families. Today we're going to go over the Unit 2 Week 1 packet for foundations. The trick words that you should be reviewing all this week at home are could, even, said, years, does, nothing, what, and your. Again, those are trick words. We use them all of the time in our spoken and written language, so it's important to be able to spell these words when we're writing. Let's go ahead and look at our first page, which happens to be, because it's a new unit, our family letter for Unit 2. Dear family, Foundations Unit 2 reviews the following suffixes: S, ES, ED, ING, IVE, ABLE, EN, ER, EST, ISH, Y, FUL, LESS, NESS, LY, TY, and MENT. Suffixes are a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a word or word part to form another word, as in strong or tallest. Students will categorize these suffixes as either vowel suffixes or consonant suffixes. Vowel suffixes begin with a vowel. And notice ES, ED, ING, IVE, ABLE, EN, ER, EST, ISH, and even Y. Those are all vowel suffixes, while consonant suffixes begin with a consonant like S, FUL, LESS, NESS, LY, TY, and MENT. I will also reteach the procedure for identifying base words when reading or spelling words with suffixes. It's important that students identify and isolate the base word before reading the whole word with the suffix added. For example, for the word tallest, students will say and spell tall before adding the suffix est. Tall, tallest. When marking word with suffix, underline the base word and circle the suffix, just like that. In weeks 2 and 3, I will teach students how to identify. This is a new concept, so parents beware. 111 words. And we'll review this. Again, this is coming up next week. A 111 word has one closed syllable, one vowel, and only one consonant after the vowel. A related lesson will teach students an important new spelling rule: when to double the final consonant of a 111 base word. The final consonant is doubled when adding a vowel suffix. So that's why it's important to know the difference between a consonant suffix and a vowel suffix. For example, the word ship is a 111 word. Remember, it has a closed syllable with one vowel and only one consonant after the vowel. So ship is a 111 word. And when you attach a vowel suffix like ing, you have to double that final consonant of the base word to make it shipping, but not when adding a consonant suffix. So shipment does not need you to double the P. When the final consonant is doubled, the extra P is starred when marking the word, just like shown below. Okay, so underline the base word, circle the suffix. If you have to double the consonant of a 111 word before attaching a vowel suffix, you star it up above. Once again, thank you so much for your interest and help at home. It really helps. All right, let's get practicing. Do the guess which ED sound activity. All right, so what we're going to do is underline the base word and circle the suffix for each word. That's how we mark the words below in this box. Then you're going to read the base word first, then the whole word, and write the words in the correct column below. So for example, let's see. Hunt, hunted. You're going to circle the ED. That's your suffix, actually, if you notice, for all of them. Host, hosted. Film, filmed. Smell, base word, smelled, whole word. Dress, base word, dressed, whole word. Press, base word, pressed, whole word. Bang, base word, banged, whole word. Rent, base word, rented, whole word. Stamp, base word, stamped, whole word. Blend, base word, blended, whole word. Crunch, base word, crunched, whole word. Chill, base word, chilled, whole word. Wink, base word, winked, whole word. Strand, base word, stranded, whole word. Stall, base word, stalled, whole. Okay, so that's the first part. Now we're on to then write the whole word in the correct column below. So you'll notice that this, sometimes when you say a word with an ed suffix, it will sound like id. Okay, like look, hunted. So let's clear that screen and let's say if it sounds like id, I'm going to circle the word up above with the red pen and you're going to write it down below. You don't have to mark them, just spell them and put them in the correct category. If it just sounds like d, that's another option. I'm going to circle it with the orange marker. If it sounds like t at the end with that suffix, we're going to circle it with green so you know which column to put it in. Hunted, we already said. It sounds like it ends with ID. So I'm going to circle hunted in red, and you're going to just, that's your indication because it would take me forever to write it down below. So you're going to just copy that word in the id column. Hosted, id, I heard it. Same column. Filmed, filmed. It's not filmed. So that one I'm actually going to say it sounds just like a D at the end. Filmed. Orange. That goes in the middle column when you write. Smelled. Again, it's not smelled. So that one is orange as well. Try this one. Dressed. Ooh. Hear that T? Dressed. Yep, that one's going to go over here where it sounds like a T. Pressed. Same thing. T. Banged. Not banged, not banked. So that one I'm going with just sounds like a D. I think that one goes in the middle column there. Rented. There's that id. Did you hear it? Rented should go in the first column. Okay. Stamped. I heard a T. Stamped. That's going in this column. Blended. Id. I heard it. Put it in the first column. Crunched. Crunched. Definitely hear a T when we say that word. Okay. Chilled. Not chilled. Chilled. I think that one just sounds like a D. Middle column. Yes. Winked. Did you hear the T? Winked. Stranded. Id. Going in the red column. First column. And last word, stalled. The engine stalled. That sounds like a D, just a D. Okay, so you're not going to be color coding them like I did. I just did that to kind of speed us along. You're going to actually be spelling those words down below. Okay? Excellent work. Okay, if you look at the next page here, it says, have your child select a suffix from the top of each box to form a real word. Use each suffix listed at the top of the box only once, and write the suffix on the line to read the base word and then the whole word. Like pitch, pitches. Clock, clocks. How do we spell it though? Yep, just with an S. Bench, bench is ES. Mess, messes, right, ES. Okay, so that's what you will do in those boxes. Let's look over here. Ship, now shipty, shiply, or shipment. What do you think? Ship, shipment, right, M-E-N-T. Strong, strong T or strongly? Right, L-Y, Lee, strongly. And last but not least, 6T, the number 60. Excellent. Okay, fast, fast full, faster, fasty. Faster, ER, fast, faster. Thank, full. Right, this should be easy peasy, hopefully. Grump, grumpy. Yeah, this Y is a vowel suffix because it sounds like an E when it's attached to the end of words. Protect, protectment, protectable. What's the best one? Hopefully you're thinking, yes, protective. Very good. How about the next one? Depend, meant or dependable? Real word is dependable. A-B-L-E sounds like able. And then lastly here, amuse, amusement, M-E-N-T. Excellent. All right, let's go to the bottom row here. Spell, spellful, spellness, spelling. Hopefully you heard it. Spelling is the right real word there. Kindness. Good. And bash, full. Excellent. All right, the last box, quick. We have quickless, quick-ish, quicken. Quicken, yeah. I have to quicken my pace with writing with this pen. It's tough. Thankless or thankish? Oh, I don't like this word. Thankless means that you don't have any thanks. L-E-S-S, this is saying. Sorry, it's very difficult. Thankless. I'd much rather be thankful. And lastly, selfish. I don't like that word either. Selfish means you're all about yourself. All right, excellent. Okay, here's one where we're going to be doing guess which one. These are our sound-alike words. We have some and some. Remember, this kind of sum is a sum of money or when two numbers are added together, okay? And let's do sun and sun. This kind of sun is the star in the sky that's bright and warms our earth. All right, so we'll save that one for orange. Let's do this sum in, let's do purple. That's an amount. You have some homework to do tonight. And this son, S-O-N, is a male child, okay, that grows up. All right. What is the sum of the new glasses? I think that means what's the cost? What's the sum of them? So that one is actually going to be SUM. What's the total of the new glasses? How much do they cost? Number 2. And please don't forget, read the sentence again and scoop it into phrases. So I'll do that as we go. How about that? What is the sum of the new glasses? There. Number 2, some of the cash will be used for the trip. Okay, so not all, but some. Number 2 is S-O-M-E. Start it with a capital letter, please. Some of the cash will be used for the trip. That's how I'm scooping that one. My son is a welder. Sounds like a mom or dad speaking about their, right, S-O-N, son. My son is a welder. Number 4, the sum of 3 plus 3 is 6. There you go. When you add them together, that's your S-U-M sum. The sum of 3 plus 3 is 6. I kind of like to scoop it like that. Number 5, that is a big sum of cash to send in the post. They're mailing it. Be careful with that. Sum of cash, That's SUM again for number 5. That is a big sum. Actually looking at this, hold on. That is a big sum of cash. Keep those all together in one scoop. Oh my. To send in the post, 2 scoops. Number 6. Some kids dented the van with the ball. Yeah, some, SOME. A few kids dented the van with the ball. So let's do some kids dented the van with the ball. 3 scoops. Remember, start with a capital. Number 7. The sun is blocked by a tent. Sounds like they have some shade. We're talking about the sun in the sky. The sun, SUN, is blocked by a tent. The sun is blocked by a tent. Or the sun is blocked by a tent. You could do 2 or 3 scoops for that one. His son often camps with us. Talking about a, right, child that's a boy. His SON, son, his son often camps with us. Number 9, some people are stronger than me. Yeah, a few people. SOME, some. Some people are stronger than me. Scoop it that way. And the last one. The sun is hotter in July. Which one? Yeah, the sun in the sky. SUN. Good. The sun is hotter in July. Excellent. Okay, this page should be pretty quick because it says read the words, underline the base word, and circle the suffix, just like this example. So we have block, suffix S, the whole word, blocks. We have crunch, suffix ES, whole word, crunches. Shift, suffix ING, whole word, shifting. Good. Skill with suffix ED becomes what whole word? Skilled. Drift, suffix ER, becomes drifter. Latch, suffix ed, becomes latched. Fresh, suffix en, becomes freshen. Send, suffix able, becomes sendable. Sendable. Kind, suffix est, becomes what word? Kindest. Grant, suffix ed, let's think, granted. Luck, suffix y, remember it sounds like an e. What's the word? Lucky. Good. And bash, suffix ful, is bashful. Another word for shy. Excellent. Okay, here on this page it says read the sentence, select the correct word from the box to complete the sentence, write that word on the line, reread the completed sentence, and scoop it into phrases. So repeat after me. Skilled, bashful, gripped, stalled, chilled, grabbed, mobbed, blender. Notice all of those words have a suffix attached to the end. Let's look at number 1. I mix my drink in a, right, blender. So number 1, you're going to write blender. And then let's scoop it. I mix my drink in a blender. Good. Number 2. Ben was blank by his fans. So if he has a ton of fans that are loving Ben and they gather around him, he has no space to breathe. Ben was, some people think grabbed, but no, there's a better choice. I think grabbed will be used later. Ben was mobbed. You know what a mob is? A whole group of people. Ben was mobbed by his fans. Number 3, we'll do in green here. He blanked the ball as it passed him. Yes, I think this one is grabbed. He grabbed the ball as it passed him. Let's think. He grabbed the ball as it passed him. Number 4. Dad felt blank by the wind. Look at our words that are left. Right, chilled. Number 4 is chilled. Dad felt chilled by the wind. Number 5, the van blank in the lot. Ooh, if it didn't start right away, the engine may have what? Right, the van stalled in the lot for number 5. The van stalled in the lot. Number 6, the banker blank the bag of cash. Skilled the bag of cash, bashful the bag of cash, or gripped the bag. Yeah, held on tight, you gripped it. The banker gripped the bag of cash. Number 7, we'll go back to red for this one. John felt blank in class when he sang. Yeah, he was shy. He was bashful. John felt bashful in class when he sang. I like 3 scoops for that one. And number 8, back to orange. Will the blank camper patch the tent? Yeah, skilled camper. Will the skilled camper patch the tent? All right. Thank you so much for joining me this week.